Mamangei dagi Manipuri shing ase Lairik Pabagi Heinabi ningthina leirakpa maramna Eikhoida Thoidok-Hendokpa Lousing Kayamarum lei haina Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Prof and Lokendra na phongdorakli wafam ase National Book Trust India ki sponsor pakada Unity Upliftment Foundation na silaga Manipur University da numit tarani chupna chathagadaba book fair hautukgi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibane Manipur University ki auditorium complex na pangthokpa thoramadu Athoiba mithunglen ki warol piraduna Professor and Lokendra na hai COVID-19 laijat matungda awangba thaki mahai loisang singda mahiroi sing class yaubagi chang ase malem ki oina hantharakhe laijat asena maram oraga mahiroi sing masa masagi yumdagi mapan thokningdaba amade mobile phone da hena laichuba henkhe kiba masida mahiroi sing ki khalaga university ki campus pumna mag mahausaga manadaba maungda top makhagi nuaiba mahawa mapinaba honagadabani haiba wafam kamari lainaba authorities singna phongdoknarakpa laikhe Manipur University ki oina so wafam maduda tung inaba angamba thakta honaraga lakhe ngasidagi hauraga book fair asimakso mahiroi singda mahi masingi tonganba mahawa mapinaba honabane mahiroi singda ahenba lousing tansinba yaba thawrang khudimak University asina taramna okani haina mahakna phongdokhe mahakna makhata na hai University asi Vice Chancellor natraga administration ki thabak thorom khaktana lepkadaba nate masida mahiroi singi performance so yamna chawni yaure maru oina mahiroi singi research work makhogi lousing ki thak achauba company natraga tongan ba sector da thabak phangbagi chang amade atopa university ki mahiroi sing Changdam nabagi mawang matau singasina University amagi quality lepa ngamgadoribane maramaduna Manipur University ki mahiroi singda makhal makha kayagi exposure phangan bahaibese University asigi pandamne mahiroi singi lousing hengatpa yagadaba thabak thoram khudingmak University asina mangkhaloi haina so Professor and Lokendra namakata na phongdokhe Tharmada the Unity Upliftment Foundation ki President STK Manipur University of Culture ki Librarian Dr. T.H. Khomdon namade Manipur University Students Union ki President and Surachna President Member Singwaina Sarukyakhe.
Our strength is that we have a very big educated middle class. And this middle class is sustaining and they are paving the way for the future growth and development of Manipur society. I'm very proud to say this, and any kind of problems, any kind of issues, any kind of challenges that the society comes across, I'm very confident that the Manipuri middle class, the Manipuri academics, Manipuri intellectuals will be capable of solving any kind of problem that the society confronts, any kind of challenges that the society faces. This middle class will be able to solve the problem.